Sadly to say na hindi ko nasabi na talagang formally or verbal sa family ko na I'm gay kasi yun, namatay yung both parent ko.
Don't come out when you don't feel safe.
Hindi minamadali ang pagka-come out.
Learn how to accept yourself and to love yourself.
If ever ba na makapag-asawa ko ng babae, tatanggapin niya pa ba ako? Hi, I'm Noella Sofia Visico. I'm from UMS 1201 and I am part of The Viewpoint as the feature writer and also a TV broadcaster.
So, I am Lexi Vitan from UMS 1207.
Hi, my name is Jan Ray Dangcoven and I am 19 years old from ABM 1206.
What's your coming out story?
You know, my story behind of my gender ay hindi madali. Inano ko siya, hindi siya agad-agad na sinabi ko na I'm gay, I'm trans, and yun, una, pinakita ko muna yung sarili ko, kung sino ko sa pamilya ko. Ayokong inaano ko yung gender identity ko na tinatago ko sa kanila. Pinapakita ko sa kanila pero hindi ako nagsasalita kung sino ako. And yun, isa sa mga naging way ko para mapakita sa kanila yung kung sino ko, through my skills and my ability. Yun, sumasayaw ako ng mga fem dance, nag-i-split ako, yung mga ginagawa ng hindi ordinaryong lalaki sa pagsasayaw. So yun, ayun yung naging way ko para mapakita sa kanila na I'm different. Hindi ako yung iniisip yung ako. But sadly to say na hindi ko nasabi na talagang formally or verbal sa family ko na I'm gay kasi yun, namatay yung both parent ko. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na alam nila kung sino ko. Hindi lang kami showy sa isa't isa na I'm gay or hindi ko lang masyadong hindi agad-agad na karon ng pagkakataon na masabi ko sa kanila yung kung sino ko. Pero sa family ko ngayon na natitira at sa mga relatives ko, alam nila na I'm gay. No, pinayagan nila ako kung ano yung kaya ko at kung ano yung mapapakita ko sa akin, sa mismo ako.
So my coming out story is all over the place kasi hindi ako nag-come out in one place at one time. I come out to my mother separately, to my sisters, and for my father. Pero honestly, hindi pa ako out sa extended family. So I will also not gonna share anything about that. So ang i-share ko lang is how did I come out to my mother and to my sister. So to my mother, yun yung scariest na part ng pagka-come out is even though I know na mahal ako ng nanay ko, it's still hard na mag-come out kasi you don't know their stand on the LGBTQIA. Kasi hindi napapag-usapan yun sa family namin. I come out to my mother in a way na tinanong ko siya na if ever ba na makapag-asawa ko ng babae, tatanggapin niya pa ba ako? Of course, her response was, the first response that I received was from a quote sa Bible, no, na a man is made for a woman and a woman is made for a man. Siyempre, nasad ako kasi hindi yun yung ina-expect ko na sagot from my mother. But later on, I realized na hindi naman hadlang yung Diyos para kung sino yung gusto ko. Because if ever love is a sin, I will love as long as I want kasi Jesus already died for us. So, yun yung stand ko na okay lang kung sino yung gusto kong mahalin. Kasi, at the end of time, I accepted God already in my heart na hindi ko na kailangang isipin kung tanggap ba ako ng Panginoon o hindi. Kasi, hindi na yun kailangan pa. Hindi yun masasabi ng kahit na sino pa. So, I come out to my oldest sister, not directly. Sinabihan ko lang siya na may gusto ko sa babae. And that's that. Then to my second sister, yun yung first sit down na nag-come out ako. So kumakain kami that time and sabi nga ng ate ko, na una kong ate, na may gusto ako sa babae. And tinanong niya ako kung yung babae lang ba yung gusto ko or may gusto rin ako sa lalaki. I answered it. I said na babae lang yung gusto ko. na wala akong any attractiveness to a guy. Though, I'm still in the middle of discovering it. Pero wala talaga eh. Wala talaga. So, yes, I fully accepted that I am a lesbian. So, yun yung coming out story ko to my mother and to my sister. So, if ever anyone will see this na kilala ako, this is my way of coming out to you. Yeah, yun lang.
Well, my coming out story wasn't actually that harsh. Pero since I was a kid kasi, like, halata na nilang I was like gay, I was like feminine that time. And yun, parang palagi nilang assert sa akin, uy, ano, bakla ka ba ganito? But I don't know what to call myself that time pa. So, parang like, pandemic came, and that's when it started to develop my identity as a transgender woman. Kung saan, since nga, di makalabas, so I let my hair to be long. And ayun na nga, so konti-konti ko nakikita yung sarili ko as a feminine person. Then, when I found out about hormone replacement therapy, so doon ako nag-start mag-HRT, and doon ako na kinonsider yung sarili ko as a transgender woman. So, ayun nga, that's the way I came out as a transgender woman when way back pandemic, kung saan doon ko nakita yung sarili ko as, ayun, as a feminine, as a girl.
What is your message for those people na gusto mag-come out?
For my fellow, call them nakshits, for my fellow nakshi na magka-come out pa lang, I guess the message that I would say to them is that learn how to accept yourself and to love yourself. Because throughout acceptance, dun mo makikita kung gaano mo kamahal yung sarili mo. And kung kina-accept mo yung sarili mo, and if you are proud of yourself, then definitely others will be accepting you. Kasi how can other people accept for the way you are if you can accept yourself? So just be proud of yourself, be true to yourself, and in that way, kung sino yung pinapakita mo sa kanila, therefore, kung ano ka, kung sino ka, yun yung mamahalin na ng version of you. So for those na magka-come out as an LGBT member, be proud, love yourself, and accept yourself for
Message, don't come out when you don't feel safe. Kasi it's a smart move to feel safe more than to engage yourself in a place na alam mo naman hindi ka tatanggapin. So may mga environment talaga na hindi tayo pwedeng mag-come out. Pero I hope na makahanap ka ng environment, ng tao, o sa kahit saan man, natanggap ka. At hindi mo iisipin na what you're feeling is wrong. Because whatever you're feeling, it's valid. Na hindi ka abnormal. You're special. Thank you.
Yeah, ayun, skills. Like me, ginawa ko yung, kung ano yung kaya ko, kung ano yung pwede kong maibigay sa pamilya ko o sa sarili ko. Hindi minamadali ang pagka-come out or pagsasabi kung ano yung napupusuan or kung ano yung talagang ikaw. May process at may mga pagkakataon para doon. But yun, sa ngayon, sa mga hindi pa nagka-come up o hindi pa nakakapaglabas ng kanilang gender identity or kanilang sasarian, ipakita nyo lang kung sino muna kayo ngayon. Pakita nyo lang kung ano yung kaya nyong gawin. Ipakita nyo lang na iba kayo, pero wag kayong gagawa ng kahit anong ikakasama nyo para sa pamilya nyo at para sa kapwa nyo. And yun, kung marunong ka sumayaw, kumanta, gawin mo kung ano yung kaya mo. Pakita mo kung marunong ka mag-fem dance, marunong kang mag-cheer dance or anything na ayun yung kaya mo. Ipakita mo yun. Doon nila ma-appreciate na sa skills mong yan, hindi ka naiiba man yung tingin ng iba sa inyo. Pero sa skills mong yan, sa paningin ng mahal mo sa buhay ay matatanggap at matatanggap ka kung sino ka.
Maraming salamat.
For more eye-opener videos like this,
Don't forget to like, follow, and share this video.
And of course, let us know in the comments what topics you want us to talk about in the next episode of Eye Opener.
This is I.
This is I.
This is I.
This is I.
This is the eye opener. Be an eye opener.